What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning. I hope you're all having a great start of the weekend. And you can definitely improve it by watching this Luna Classic market update. But yeah, I'm back. I think a lot of you know me. I'm basically covering Luna Classic every single day. We take a look at some of the news, but also the price. Price yesterday was pretty bullish. As you can see, we got that move up to the 30,000 level again, which is the main resistance level to break. This level between 31,500 and 30,000. And as you can see, I am expecting us to break that somewhere within the next week, 2 weeks, something like that. And until that time, I think we'll consolidate between 31,500 and 24,000. So there's still quite some room to go down before I think this is invalid. I have my reasons for why I think that's most likely to happen, and we'll get into that a little bit later. But what I always do in these videos too is I take a look at some of the fundamentals, as I said, such as on Luna Classic Penguins. You can actually see how much Luna Classic we've been burning. Yesterday was quite a good day, as you can see, 280 million Luna Classic burned. That's not going to get you through the supply, but still it's great to see, and we're getting closer to the 3 billion burned only with the burn tax. Apart from that, on the website, it's not sponsored or anything, but on the website you can also see the total burned. That keeps continuing going up, and some great news is coming out Monday, I think, if everything goes according to plan, which sometimes in crypto doesn't happen. I think you all know that. Then Monday we're going to have some great news, because Binance has introduced the burning of the transaction fee on Luna Classic, right? So 0.1% fee on every Luna Classic transaction. Well, we can kind of see how much will be burned. So let's just say that we held a 600 million volume. And for how many days has it been active? Ooh, I'm not sure actually. I think for about 2, 3, 4, 5 days, I think it has been active for. So 5 times 600 million, which I know volume has been higher, but let's just grab 600 million as a low level, right? Then we can always be surprised. So if you do 5 times 600, you get 3 billion. 0.1% of 3 billion is, well, let's say 300 million. And then 300 million is in US dollars, all right? So then you have to translate that to Luna Classic, which is quite a lot. I mean, that is a more difficult sum to make in your head. But apart from that, that seems like a lot of Luna Classic. So Monday, either way, even if it's a little bit lower or higher, it's going to be a lot of Luna Classic burns, and it's going to be very interesting to see how the market reacts to that, right? So how the market reacts to that depends a lot on how the community reacts to that. So I would definitely recommend you to keep checking out definitely Reddit. Reddit is one of the best sources for this kind of momentum. Usually when like, for example, when Dogecoin exploded, their Reddit before that was very active, and a lot was being said. So you can check out some indicators like that. Those are some of the most undervalued indicators, but are very valuable. So that's coming up Monday. That's going to be amazing news, I think, for Luna Classic. Whether we are going to see that in a price or not, it depends. But for now, I mean, that is one of the main catalysts that could make a move like this happen. And this move basically is that if we break above 31,500, at least on the 1 hour time frame, we're going to get up to that level at 35 and 36, and there we'll see again. I'll probably make another update, because there's quite a big chance that if we get that breakout, that we can get all the way up to 40,000. But more about that later. So that's one of the reasons why a move like this could happen. Apart from that, there's just a lot of potential for good news for Luna Classic, right? So for example, if KuCoin or a different exchange or Binance has another burn mechanism, or the tax rate, the burn tax is getting implemented on every transaction. I mean, there's a lot of potentially good news, right? I said potentially a little bit weird, but so that's why I think this is more likely, because you have all that potential in good news, and apart from that, you have a very strong community holding Luna Classic at these levels. And I told you we can even drop down to 26,000. There's a strong support at 26. Then there's also a strong support at 24. So there's a lot of support together with a lot of potential for good news. So that's why I think still this is more likely within the next 2 weeks. But Monday is going to be exciting, so I'll definitely be back with another update then. For now though, I want to thank you all for watching and listening. I hope to see you all tomorrow, and yeah, enjoy your day. Bye.